Panda. Okay guys, you can ask me questions pertaining to anything you want. Just now I was just on the line together with one of my client. Sorry. See ya. She won't have a easy time to cut my hair. I'm gonna flip my camera, so you guys gonna see me from there, right? Okay, so then you can hear my voice. Can hear my voice, right? I won't flip that. Yeah, okay, you guys can ask me questions, anything pertaining to real estate right now. I'm free. Why you want to cut your hair very, very short, Panda? Because I think I had enough of having long hair. The other thing also, having long hair, I cannot manage my hair very well. Then even though after I blow dry lah, I iron lah, whatever, I still look super messy. So I'm not happy with that look. And I have been having long hair for a very, very long time. Actually, when I was still in school, I already had I had all this short hair. Hi Zarina. I don't know, I think also with long hair, it can hide my face. Then I didn't even notice that I'm getting fat. Long hair can hide so many things. So therefore, I want to have a short hair so I can be real with myself to see that if I have a short hair, I'm getting rounded. So I know how it's. You see, now she's cutting my side hair. Yeah, the hair, because I want my ears to be seen so I can hear you guys clearly. So yeah, so guys, I've always been coloring my hair. You know, I used to go to the beauty salon to color my hair, to dye my hair lah, you know, different kind of colors. And then recently I find that it's so lazy to go over to the shops, right, to the salon to go and color my hair, because I don't like sitting down for too long. So what I did was that I bought the $2 and $3, $5 kind of the black hair henna. Yeah, so that's what I've always been doing. So now then I says I want to perm my hair as well and to color. Then my hairdresser here mentioned it's not what's your name? Carol say it's not gonna be easy, Carol. Not easy because I color my hair black. Not easy to perm also.
Yes.
What's gonna happen if I perm?
The curl might not so perfect.
Or the curl will not be so perfect. Okay. I want to perm my hair because so that my hair looks it has more volume. So and then color also will not come out.
Not come out.
The color also will not come out.
The black part.
Only the black part. The black part will not come out.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Those like the new grow one, no problem.
Oh, okay. So that's a plus and minus point. Okay. Hi Kay, Hayati, how are you? Thank you very much for coming. Okay guys, if you have any questions pertaining to real estate, you can just ask me. I will not have the things to write on because I'm cutting my hair, but I can just answer you as it is. You see, you can see the difference already, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna look totally like a boy, but I'm gonna keep my fringe long. Actually, I'm thinking of growing my white hair, but then my white hair will not be so nice because it will look very unkempt. Okay. Panda, your hair is short or long? Sometimes people have long hair very nice because they know how to take care and their hair is naturally shiny. My one is shiny, but then it's fine. I have lots of hair, but it's very, very fine. So, tada, voila. Okay. Okay, hi, Nokilan. How are you? Thank you very much for coming. So you see the process, You guys will see the process one by one. Hey, no questions, you guys? Ask me questions. I think you guys prefer me to write, maybe all of you are like me, more of visual person, rather than only listening. Okay, anyway, I'm going to share with you my story, Share with you a story recently, my client's case, Okay, hang on, because she's going to cut you there, yeah, correct. Okay. Recently, I got this case, hang on, I'm thinking of which case I want to talk to you guys. Okay. There's this case that people who wanted to go for divorce, okay? Husband and wife wanted to go for divorce. And then therefore she's asking me, I really cannot tahan with my husband already. So, and then now my CPF is not a lot. Because my CPF, the housing, my husband is the one who's been using the CPF law. So therefore, Rihanna, can you please let me know what is the best thing for me to do? Because I'm already like 56. then I want to go through my divorce. You know what's my answer? Don't divorce all. Right. If you are able to tahan with that person for so long, for the past 10 to 20 years, what is another few more years lah, right? Maybe. But sometimes people also cannot tahan. Why? Because one thing, if you want to go through a divorce, right, you have to ensure that you are also capable to move on. Then being at 56 years old, what does that mean? If you're being at 56 years old, that means that your CPF is already been locked in already. So you don't have much of CPF to use for the next purchase of the house. So that if you have always not been working, so your CPF very limited leh. So therefore that is where you also have to create a path. You must know what you want to claim and what you can claim. Hi Lina Fuad, how are you? Thank you very much for coming. You want to watch my hair? Want to see my hair? Why you hold two phones like this? Yeah lah, because if I were to put it that you guys face me, then the phone will be pretty far away. Very funny, right? I put a phone like that. Hey, this is how I do my life every day. Like, I usually on 3 platforms. But because I have 2 hands only, right? So I only use 2 phones. 2 platforms today. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Milk Mama. Hola. Kat hair salon. Yes, correct. I'm cutting my hair super short. You can see right from the left side. One side there, short already. Yay. Okay. I hold my phones like this. Very funny. Very funny one. Hang on. That's why I bring the stand. Because if I put it too far away from me, then you cannot hear my voice one. So at least now you guys can see what's happening. Okay. Thank you very much for the heart. Milk Mama. Thank you. Hola. Your hand not tired leh. I got the stand here, and then I have a very big tummy, so the stand can be rested on my tummy. So I don't have to put so much of effort on holding it. Yeah. Hi Juju. Hi Bong. How are you? Thank you very much for coming. Hi Rosni. Hi Shida Baker. Hi Mas Lily. Hola. Thank you very much for coming. Hola. Hi MSBHB. Thank you very much for coming. Guys, you can ask me questions. No problem. So what happened? So then I mentioned to them, don't go for divorce. Why should you go for divorce, right? So then they were saying, oh no lah. She said she cannot tahan already. So cannot tahan. Okay lah, then too bad, unfortunately. Then she was telling me she has always not been working for so long. Then I said, how to move on like that? Then what about your children? Then the children are already grown up. Okay, all the children have their own house. This is the issue. You know, if you have grown up children, right? Already grown up, already work, already have their own house, already independent. Frankly, I will share with you, the government will not be helping you so much in terms of the next housing. So this one, you have to be very, very bear in mind. Ready, we go excursion today we go excursion. Yeah, correct. Hi Vernie, hola. Good morning Vernie. Morning dear, morning to you too. Today we go to excursion at hair salon. No, different setting, different setup. Good morning my dear. Let me see who's this. Hi Kuntai Derek, I'm gonna cut my hair. Derek, when are you gonna have lunch with me? Say hi Juju Abong, thank you very much for coming. You are back here in Singapore, you never have lunch with me. Hi Vernie. Okay, right. So this is how it goes. Whenever anyone who wants to go for the divorce, very, very important. You guys must know. If you think that the government will help you because you're a single mom, you're not so right there. If you're a single mom alone, then you are 50 plus, you have all grown up children already, all your children already grown up, and yet you are divorced. I shall say they won't help you so much unless you have school going children. Government will only help, majority will give priority, will grow for children who are grown up, for priority for those children who are still schooling, and also elderly parents. If you are taking care of elderly parents, you are also be given priority. They will help you out a lot. After the president, wow, correct leh. Who are you guys gonna do it? I was actually waiting to have to vote for George, but now George is not. It's considered not okay. So what to do? I don't know. What did you touch? What did I touch? Milk Mama, what did I touch? Hang on. Okay, Vernie, I have a house in Malaysia and appealing to HDB now. Is it advisable to apply HFE at the same time? You can just apply Okay, you have a house in Malaysia. Okay, Vernie, this is how it goes about. If you have a house in Malaysia and if you are the owner, right? So therefore, you are not able to buy a HDB. you have to dispose your Malaysia house. However, right, because in Malaysia they are pretty relaxed one. What you can do, if you can change your ownership, meaning you are not the owner, you are just the financier, then you don't really have to sell that house and things like that lah. If your appeal doesn't go through, that can be done. You want it to be a faster way, so that can be done. Okay, so you can in fact change your name as the financier, and then that house, yeah, you can still keep it, while you can also buy a house in the open market, buy a HDB. Okay, but you declare, what you declare? What did I touch? I never touch anything. Hello buddy. Your network lagging, not stable. Alamak, my network lagging. Sorry, do you have a Wi-Fi here? Can I use the Wi-Fi? Okay. Have house in Malaysia and appealing to HDB. If is it advisable to apply HFE now since application long? Yeah, you can try. You can do. You can. Hang on guys. Can hang on wait Make sure. What did I touch here? Hang on Wait, I see my settings. Where's my settings here? Yeah, I can. How do I do? Because this phone, I'm not very familiar with sharing hotspot. Okay, hang on Where's my settings? Okay, here. Yeah. So what do I do? What do I hotspot? Where is it? Which part?
You just bring down. This is an iPhone.
No, this not. This one is iPhone.
Okay, it's over here.
It's under what? Hotspot, is it?
Yes.
Mayo hotspot connection and sharing. I think this one.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Personal hotspot.
Yep.
Okay, which one is yours? How do I see? Turn on.
I think okay with it.
Is it? Usually they have your passport connecting to yours, ma. Don't have I don't. Unable to access live. Try again. Guys, so sorry. Are you guys here? Your set very lag and keep hanging. Okay, lost connection already. Cannot leh. So never mind, I change my phone. Okay. I'll try the other one. Alright. Okay, come. Since off already. Hola guys. Hi Suryani. Hi Charles. Charles, I'm cutting my hair. So I will see my face, how rounded it is. Kuntai Derek, yeah. I now in Shanghai holiday trip till next Thursday, then back Singapore. Hey, you don't come back and vote Just now you're just talking about voting, then now you never come back and vote Right? Okay guys, I'm gonna end my live soon. Because it's very tiring to have. And then after that, I'm going to show you the outcome of me cutting my hair. So now this is how I look like on my, when it's already short. And this one is how I look like when my hair is long. Yeah! Okay, hasta la vista. Ciao for now. Bye!